it's getting hot in here. You hear the spice? Oh, yeah. I'm gonna be speaking in tongues. Oh my god. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've been cooking this all day and I'm hungry and I can't wait to enjoy these. So I have made the shrimps with some vegetable noodle stir fry going on here. As you can see, oh, it's so heavy. I'm gonna be sharing a video of how you can do these on my YouTube channel, so go check it out. Alright, I'm gonna give it a try. Spicy.
No, because I'm spicy, I'm not doing it.
No, your kind of spice is different. If I say it's not spicy, then it's not spicy. Pardon me. It's like, you're gonna grab it, dip it in the sauce. Maybe I should take this off. I'm not sure how you eat crabs. Ooh! The spice just kicks you! Oh my god! No, I don't really like spice. Oh! Oh! Wow! Oh, it's getting hot in here. You hear the spice? Oh, yeah. I'm gonna be speaking in tongues. Oh my god. I don't think I'm gonna have the crabs. I'm gonna try the shrimp. Why am I dipping it? Oh, that's not bad. It's okay, you can have some of mine. It's fine. Oh my hair. Alright, so today we're gonna be talking about why my camera is moving backwards. Today we're gonna be comparing our living lifestyle from Belgium and UK. But yeah, well, let's see, everyone has like different experience while we're living in Belgium, but to be honest with you guys, I hated it. I hated it one bit more. I hated it. I couldn't wait for us to be in the UK. Probably asking why. I'll tell you a couple of times. I will tell you, it was as boring as hell. Everyone kept staring at you. I hated going to the shops. I was always in those the buses where we used to live was like it was the countryside, wasn't it? And the buses comes like every 2 hours. Our school journey was like what, 2 hours? It was far. I'm not joking. I've got so many things to say about Belgium.
But the thing that I love about school is like every Wednesday we get to come home early.
Yeah.
Because we finish at 12. Like,
oh yeah, that's it.
That was the only thing.
Oh my, that's the look. And I love their waffles. I'm not gonna lie. I like their waffles,
and their bread.
but
Yeah,
and their
me
bread.
too.
Oh, that is so nice. Their bread is nice.
Oh, yeah,
But everywhere I
think
go,
it's you,
people
you know.
have something to say or something to stare, and I think
And they like gossiping as well.
I don't know.
Because I was ill.
I
I was ill for 6 months.
yeah,
No
yeah.
one came over to visit me. No one called me to say that how are you? And these people were gossiping about me getting pregnant, and that's how I was at home. Like, can you imagine?
They have no life. No life.
They all thought that I was pregnant.
And for some reason, they're always scared of me. I swear that no one comes to me and talk to me. Even in church, UK church as well.
You don't like talking to people. You don't open up. I know what. I feel like it's you. It's not them.
No.
You talk to someone.
Exactly.
Yourself. If you talk to someone will talk to you.
Smile.
They're ganging up on me, you know. You guys, trust me, no one talks to me.
Yeah,
Like,
because you didn't talk to anyone.
why should I do the first intro? They should come talk to me. Like, I'm the most sweetest, nice person
If
to
you
talk
want
to.
someone to talk to you, you have to say, oh, hello, how are you? Then the person will talk to you. Next time, if you are not talking to the person will come back to you and say, hello, how are you?
There you go.
Mom, you're not part of this video, you know. Why are you shading on me?
I'm actually full.
Yeah, Ghent was really nice. We went to the
Got the
festival.
We went to the
Ooh,
festival.
the human-made beach.
Yeah, the lake. It was really nice.
On a
We went to the lake for a couple of times, like chill out with my cousin.
Yeah,
It
definitely.
was really nice. It was really, really nice. Really enjoyed ourselves in Ghent and went for festival, went on the rides. Like, it was really, really fun. That was the first time I literally enjoyed myself being in Belgium. But the rest of it was like, Oh, and the weather is so like, it's not as terrible as UK. UK weather is unpredictable. But at least in Belgium, if it's cold, it's cold.
Trust me.
If it's freezing, it's freezing.
Food here is quite diverse as well.
Yeah,
In
'cause
Belgium, like the food, I don't know, you have to like be creative with the Ghanaian food as well. But here, you can get your plantain. I don't even remember if I had plantain in Ghana. Not even in Ghana, I'm in Belgium.
We
I
did.
don't know. We didn't have plantain. We didn't have yam, did we?
We did.
We did?
Daddy used to go to Antwerp to get us a box of yam most of the time.
Yeah, that's true. But they did. Oh, the meat. Oh my god, the meat. One thing about Belgium is the meat. You got goat meat. Like I think mom and dad brought goat head. Like a goat head one time, and we were like, ew. Where did you get this from?
Oh, and because we're living in the countryside, there was this cow factory closer to us. So anytime they actually basically kill the cow, they take the beef and the rest of the whole cow, like they sell it for about €5, which is like about, do you know, black beans, like bean bags. We can get like €5 for about 2 big bean bags, and our fridge is so like full of like meat, and it's like sometimes you just have it for a week and you're like, I'm tired of it. You just want chicken.
You just want
like you just want chicken.
Oh
Like,
my god.
then you can just go back. And their roots are so big.
Oh my
Guys,
god.
I hate these roots here in UK. Like I really do. I hate them. Our bicycle lanes in Belgium is the same size as our road here. Let me tell you. If I tell you the normal road here that cars are actually driving on is the same size as bicycle lanes in Belgium.
No jokes. Like they ride a lot of bicycles as well.
Yeah,
Not a
that's
lot
what
of them-
they're so fit.
Not most of them drives. Most of them.
And the lanes are so big and you can just drive around so easily. Like, what is wrong with this country anyway? Like the roads are so small. Driving, like you got like cars everywhere and you just have to try and maneuver in between those cars. Like Belgium, like it's fun to drive Belgium, guys. Like it's really fun to drive there. That's one thing I really like about it. Like here, the roads are really terrible. To be honest with you. And the bicycle, like no one.
Thank you all for watching this video. Like and comment on this. Okay, I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh,
She's so cool.
thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below if you'd like to see more episodes of this. Bye bye.